How to transfer Cash App to PayPal. First of all, if you have some amount of money on Cash App which you would like to send to your PayPal account, the very first thing you have to understand is that there is not a direct way to transfer money from Cash App to PayPal in one step. But what you can do is you can transfer from Cash App to your bank account, which means withdraw to your bank account and deposit that money from your bank account to your PayPal account. So on Cash App, you can simply go to the withdraw option and simply make sure to enter your bank account or card details and withdraw the money to your bank. After you've done that, you could simply launch the PayPal application, go to the wallet option from the bottom right, and here you can choose to add bank account and cards, and then you will be able to add your money like your bank information and so on if you have already linked them, or if not, then you have to do that manually. And once done, your money will be transferred from Cash App to PayPal, if not directly, because there isn't a direct process. They have not been working together to make this happen. But of course, you can just go ahead and then, as I said, you will be able to transfer with the help of a bank account. So I hope this video pretty much helped to sum it up. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next